everyone, welcome to Gurukulam News Updates. Last month, our school witnessed a series of joyful and meaningful events that brought learning, celebration, and togetherness to the camp. Our month began with the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th September. To make the day special, students organized a unique plan for their teachers. They were taken to the movie in a theater in a rally where teachers rode on the bikes of the students. The whole event was fulfilled with fun, joy, and appreciation. After returning from the theater, there is a huge grand celebration was also held in school premises to express the love and gratitude towards the teacher for their constant support and guidance. Soon after, our school was honored by Miss Aditi Sharma ma'am, principal of City Mansari School, Lucknow, and her husband, who came for inspection of classes 1st to 12th, which is a part of our school upgradation to ICSE. Their feedback and observations were highly appreciated. The students' participation, school discipline, and teaching methods.
Following that, our school organized Grandparents' Day, a heartwarming event to honor love, care, and wisdom for grandparents. The event was filled with joy and care, and it included dance, performances, and songs to make the day memorable. After that, a Hindi debate competition was organized where participants confidently expressed their thoughts on provoking topics in front of judges and students. In this competition, Archana House secured first position. Next, a GK quiz was organized to test students' knowledge and presence of mind. The quiz rounds were filled with joy and excitement as all the teams tried their best to answer quickly. In this event, Army House secured first position. After that, a poem recitation competition was conducted where participants expressed their emotions and command over a language through poetry. The audience was truly impressed by their confidence. In this competition, Archana House once again secured first position. Keep watching Gurukulam News. Stay updated for more news and updates. Thank you.